morning children, this is 5th class maths. Today I am going to explain blocks is unlike fractions adding and subtracting. In blocks is an S3 subtracting unlike fractions. Previous class we learned about adding unlike fractions. Okay, now today our topic is subtracting unlike fractions. I have written here two examples, children. First one, 3 by 6 minus 1 by 6, 4 by 9 minus 2 by 9. See, children, here, observe children, what is denominator? Once you check here, here denominator are same. Here denominator are same. Here also 4 by 9 minus 2 by 9. Denominator are same. Such type of fractions are called what? Like fractions. Okay. Next, second example. 14 by 12 minus 10 by 6. Here 15 by 9 minus 4 by 3. Children, this type of fraction here, this denominator are here different. Here 14 by 12 minus 10 by 6. Here 15 by 9 minus 4 by 3. Such type of fractions are called unlike fractions. Okay? Take out your workbook, children. Take out your workbook. Block number 6, S3. First write date 25/9/2020. Subtracting unlike fractions. First bit, subtract and draw a diagram. Now B bit, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. This is like fraction. See, here denominator are same. Whenever denominator are same, so it is called like fraction. You know, children, how to subtract denominator are same or like fractions is there. We can subtract directly. 2 minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, 2 minus 1 divided by 3. So 2 minus 1 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the answer. Now I will show you with the help of how to subtract the number. Here 2 by 3. So here 3 is there. How many parts you have to do here? 1, 2, 3. This is one whole. One whole. Okay. 2 by 3. How many parts? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts. Each part is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So in 2 by 3 you have to subtract how much? 1 by 3. Now I'll take 2 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is how much, children? 2 by 3. You have to shade it with the red color. So this is a 2 by 3. In 2 by 3, how much you have to subtract? 1 by 3. So I'm cutting here. This is 1 by 3. We are cutted in a 2 by 3. So how much is remaining? 1 by 3. So answer is 1 by 3. C bit, do it your own, children. But you have to for drawing you have to use scale. 2 8s are 16, 5 8s are 40, minus 3 5s are 15, 8 5s are 40. So now it is like fraction. Now you can subtract 16 minus 15 divided by 40 is equal to 16 minus 15 is 1 by 40 is the answer. Next, D bit, do it your own, children. E bit, here they given here mixed fraction. So mixed fraction 5 3 by 4 minus 3 9 by 20. First you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. You know, children, how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 4 into 5. First you multiply these two numbers, then add these 3. Okay. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23 by 4. Okay. Next minus 20, this and this you multiply, then add 9. 23s are 60. 60 plus 9, 69 by 20. Now again this is unlike fraction. No, first for subtract, what you have to do, you have to make it like fraction. How will make like fraction? Write the multiples of 4 and 20. So here I written multiples of 4 and 20. Which is the common multiple here? 20 is the common multiple. Okay. Now for this in 4 table, what time will get 20 children? 5. 4 5s are 20. So 23 into 5 and 4 into 5. That 5 you have to multiply both numerator and denominator. Next, minus 69 by 20. In 20 table, what time will get 20? Once. So 69 into 1, 20 into 1. Then multiply this 23 into 5. 23 5s are 115. 4 5s are 20. Minus 115 divided by 20 minus 69 by 20. So subtract 115 minus 69 is 46 divided by 20. This you can convert in mixed fraction, children. I'll show here. 46 divided by 20. 21s are 20, 22s are 40. So 6 is remainder. How will write? This 2 quotient will write first, remainder, then 20. 2 6 by 20 is the answer. Okay. This sum I'll show it on board. Now third bit. Suhail has 2 by 7 kg rice. He used 3 by 80 kg rice to make kheer and 1 by 2 kg rice to make pulao. How much rice did he use in all? Then another, how much rice is left with him? Okay. Solution. First we will find how much rice did he use in all. For this, what you have to do, children? See, rice used for kheer and pulao, you have to add these two fractions. Then what will get the answer? No, that answer you have to subtract in total. Then you will get the answer. Okay. First solution. Total rice. Total rice how much is there? 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Then this is a mixed fraction. You have to convert in improper fraction. How will convert, children? 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 by 7 kg. Now rice used for kheer. How much he used? 3 by 8 kgs. Next, rice used for pulao. How much? 1 by 2. So this again mixed fraction you convert in improper fraction. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 3 by 2 kgs. Now here 3 by 8 and 3 by 2. These two you have to add. 3 by 8 plus 3 by 2. This is unlike fraction, children. You can't add. So this you have to, this fraction 8 and 2 you have to make it like fraction. How will make like fraction? For making like fraction you have to write first multiples of denominator numbers. So first you have to write 8 multiples of 8 and multiples of 4. So in this, sorry children, multiples of 2. In this, which is the least common multiple? Common multiple. Here 8 is the common multiple. So first in 8 table, how many times it will go, children? 1 time. Okay. 8 tables, in how many times it will go? 1 time. So for 3 by 8, here 8 is there, no? Here 1 time it will go, no? So 1 you have to multiply both numerator and denominator. So 3 into 1, 8 into 1 plus 3 by 2. In 2 table, how many times it will go, children? 8. 2 4s are 8. So we have to multiply both numerator and denominator 4. 3 into 4, 2 into 4. Next, multiply this. 3 1s are 3, 8 1s are 8, plus 4 3s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Now add, children. 3 plus 12 by 8 divided by 8 is equal to 15 by 8 kgs used total. Okay. Therefore, used rice for kheer and pulao is equal to how much? 15 by 8 kgs. Next, another question. How much rice is left with him? How will find this? You have to, again you have to, in total rice, you have to find, subtract this fraction, then you will get the answer. Rice is left with him. Total rice how much? 16 by 7. How will get here 16 by 7? After convert to 2 by 7, you will get the 16 by 7 minus this 15 by 8. You have to subtract, then you will get the answer. So this is the, you can't subtract, children. Why? This is unlike fraction. First you have to make it like fraction. For making like fraction, what you have to do? You have to, these denominator multiples of denominator numbers you have to write. So 7 multiples of 7 are, I wrote here, and multiples of 8 are these. Which is the common multiple here? 56 is the common multiple. So now for this 16 by 7. 16 by 7. In 7 table, how many times it will go, children? 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. So you have to multiply for 16 and 7, 8 here 8. Both numerator and denominator you multiply 8. Then minus 15 by 8. For in a 8 table, how many times it will go? 7 times. 8 7s are 56. So this 7 you multiply both numerator and denominator. Okay. Now is equal to 16 into 8, 128. 7 8s are 56. Minus 15 7s are 105. 8 7s are 56. Now this is like fraction. Now you can subtract, children. 128 minus 105 divided by 56. So after 128 minus 105 is subtracting, what you get? 23 by 56. 23 by 56 kgs. So therefore 23 by 56 kgs of rice left with him. Okay, children. I hope you all understood. Complete your workbook. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.